Look at this crazy wallet. If you're dreaming of making a ton of money, just keep watching because I'm going to show you the step-by-step on how to do it. I spent months grinding meme coin trades every single day, but I got fed up with the insane risks of dumping money into random coins. That's when I switched to this new strategy. Now I can flip $100 into $500 or even $1,000 in seconds. And I keep repeating the process. This is how I've been stacking cash so quickly. The secret is to stop trading meme coins and start making them. Everyone at the top is doing it, and we can't afford to miss out. It's time for us regular people to secure the bag. Usually people tend to launch their coins on Pump.Fun, but take a look at this list. In just a couple of minutes, you'll see a ton of new coins. It's way too crowded to make it big, but don't stress, there's a way around it. We've got an amazing chance to launch our coins on Radium, a DEX where the competition is way lower than Pump.Fun. Launches here are less frequent because you need coding skills, which is why most projects on this network are bigger, with higher market caps and more volume. We want that volume, but most of us don't know how to code. Here's the kicker. That's not a problem anymore. I'll show you how to launch your coin here, attract thousands of investors, and make insane profits, just like I've been doing. I'll even create a new wallet and show you the entire process live. I struck gold with Memecoins.Fun, finally a way to launch on Radium without coding headaches. The process, stupid simple. Just answer a few prompts and you're done. After extensive testing, I can vouch for its reliability, but that's enough hype. Time to roll up our sleeves and mint our coin right this minute. The first step is getting a logo. The trick is to pick something that's trending like crazy so we can pull attention from other coins. I always lean into what's popular: memes, celebrities, or video game stuff. This time, I'm choosing the side-eye dog meme. It's always worked well for me. Just make sure your logo is 128 by 128 pixels, download it, and with this, we're ready for the next part. First, guys, what you're going to do is connect your wallet to the website. If it's your first time connecting your wallet, a window will show up on the top right. You just click on Connect, and your wallet is going to get connected to the website. Then you're going to click on the Create button. It's basically going to show you the Mint Rush Token Creator menu. That's where you're going to be able to upload an image. Choose a token name, symbol, the decimals, the total amount you're going to mint. You're also going to be able to write a short description and to revoke mint and freeze authority for free, guys. Now we're filling in the token information. I'm going with side-eye dog, side-eye for short, because it's instantly recognizable. My description will say, the iconic side-eye dog has officially become a crypto coin. Don't skip adding our logo. For the number of decimals, what you're going to do is put 9. You can also put 6, but I prefer 9. And for the total amount you're going to mint, technically you can mint 1 token, 10 tokens, 100 tokens, but what I would advise you to do is mint 1 billion tokens. It's the standard number for all meme coins. Then you're going to revoke mint and freeze authority. On Mintrush, it's completely free, and that's why I love using this platform. Compared to the other ones out there, that charge you a 0.1 sol fee every time you want to revoke these authorities. And why are you going to do this, you may ask? Because it's going to make your coin way more trustworthy. You're not going to be able to freeze the wallets of new buyers. You're also not going to be able to mint more tokens out of thin air after minting the 1 billion tokens, which will make your coin way more valuable in the eyes of future investors. This way, you're going to have way more buying volume. Then, when everything is checked and done, you just click on the Create Token button. All right, guys, no worries. This is standard procedure because the website is a bit new. In a couple of days, it's going to get verified. But in the meantime, I'm going to show you the entire process without any cuts, so you know exactly what's going on. I'm also going to show you the transaction details, so you can proceed safely. This is your transaction detail. You're basically creating a new account. That's the mint address your tokens are going to get minted to. You're minting 1 billion tokens, you're revoking mint and freeze authority, and you're paying a small fee to the platform, guys. You can just confirm. And boom, look, the token has been successfully created. Sometimes, because of network congestion, your token might not get created immediately. You might need to try again. When there's a lot of volume on the Solana blockchain, some transactions fail. It happened to me a couple of times. What you need to do is just come back on the platform try to create your coin again, and it should work out, guys. Here on SolScan, you can verify that your coin is now live on the Solana network. But there's still one more step before people can start trading your coin and you can start making profits. Now we need to create the liquidity pool. To do so, go on Radium. Then you will click on Liquidity Pool, make sure you select Standard AMM. Next, we need to add our meme coin as the base token. Return to Mintrush, copy your token address and paste it here and fill in the details. For me, the symbol is side-eye, and the name is side-eye dog. Then click Add User Token, and click on your meme coin. You'll see you have 1 billion coins, which is our total supply. Add 900 million since that's the standard for meme coins. Next, you'll need to add the quote token. This is the coin that pairs with your meme coin for trading. Go ahead and choose Solana here. You can pretty much go all out since you're the first person buying your coin, meaning there's no risk of losing money, so just click max. It's all gains from here. Just adjust the amount slightly to cover the fees, specifically 0.2 Solana, since that's what Radium charges for the pool creation. Then, scroll down to fee tier and select 2%. When you're ready, click Initialize Liquidity Pool, confirm the transaction, and your coin is good to go. And there it is. The coin we just launched is visible on Photon, so anyone can go and buy it. Now let's take a closer look at your coin's chart and see how it's performing. To do this, go to dexscreener.com and pick any random coin. After it loads, return to Mintrush again, copy your token address. Now, go to DexScreener again, paste your address into the search bar, and replace the random coin's address with yours. Press enter, and boom, your coin's chart is up. Now, all you have to do is wait for buyers to jump in. You can take your profits whenever you feel like it. Those early buys? Yeah, those are just bots doing their thing. Just be patient and refresh every now and then the Radium page until you can see your position down here. All right, guys. We got our first nice buy going for $136, which is a little more than 1 Solana. As you can see, this pushed the growth of the coin so much that I have to scroll a lot just to see the full chart. Market cap got pushed all the way up to $600 and the liquidity is at $650 now. Now we got a couple more buys, one for over $150 and another one for just $3. But hey, all the buys we get count, we appreciate the volume. Just take a look at this precious chart, the coin is doing phenomenally. Check this, over 500% growth in just a couple minutes. Liquidity is almost at $1,000. This is absolutely insane. Guys, let's go, another big buy for $200, more than 1.5 Solana. Liquidity is at 1.3K in just 7 minutes. And honestly, I'm perfectly fine with this, but let's wait a bit more just to see if we can get the liquidity any higher. Okay, so it's been a few minutes and there's not much going on. We got a little buy of $30, but honestly, I think it's time to go ahead and get our money. Go to Radium's portfolio section. Make sure your wallet is connected up here. Click on Standard, and you should be able to see your position down here. Click on the minus button. Slide this all the way to 100%. It'll tell you how much liquidity you can withdraw. Pay close attention to the Solana amount, as that's what you'll actually get in your wallet. When you're set, click Remove Liquidity and confirm the transaction. And just to be clear, this is all for educational purposes, obviously. You'll see a confirmation that your liquidity removal went through. Now here's the exciting part. Check your wallet and you'll notice we've made 3 times our initial investment in no time. Feel free to repeat this process as much as you like, and I can confidently say the success rate is around 90%. Just to be clear, all of this is purely for educational purposes. That said, if you're looking to make some solid cash, this is the way to go. Use it wisely while the opportunity lasts.